Hello, everyone. Imagine trying to study for an important exam while constantly getting distracted by notifications and other interruptions. It feels impossible to stay focused, right? Today, we're going to talk about how to enhance our focus and productivity, especially in a world filled with distractions. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to understand the factors that impact focus and productivity, identify techniques to improve concentration, implement strategies to enhance productivity in your daily life. Let's get right into understanding the factors that affect our ability to focus and be productive. Factors impacting focus and productivity. Digital distractions. One of the biggest culprits of reduced focus is digital distractions. Whether it's constant notifications, social media updates, app alerts, or email alerts, these interruptions can significantly derail our concentration. Example, the notification nightmare. Think about Olivia, a college student preparing for her finals. Every few minutes, her phone buzzes with a new notification. Each time she checks her phone, it takes her several minutes to get back into her study groove. Over the course of an hour, these distractions add up, leading to a significant loss in productive study time. Multitasking. Many people believe that multitasking can help them get more done. However, research shows that multitasking often reduces productivity and increases the chances of making mistakes. Our brains aren't designed to handle multiple tasks simultaneously. Story, the multitasking myth. Raymond, an HR manager, prides himself on his ability to multitask. He often juggles answering emails, attending meetings, answering calls, and working on projects at the same time. However, he finds himself making more errors and taking longer to complete tasks compared to when he focuses on one task at a time. Techniques to improve concentration. The Pomodoro Technique. One effective method to enhance focus is the Pomodoro Technique. This technique involves working for a set period, usually 25 minutes, followed by a short break. This cycle helps maintain high levels of concentration without feeling overwhelmed. Analogy, the sprinter. Think of your brain like a sprinter. It can go all out for short bursts, but needs rest to perform at its best. The Pomodoro Technique leverages this concept, allowing you to work intensely for a short period and then recover. Meditation. Practicing meditation can significantly improve your ability to focus. These practices train your brain to stay present and reduce the wandering thoughts that often lead to distractions. Example, the calm student. Emily started incorporating meditation into her daily routine. She found that just 10 minutes of meditation each morning helped her stay focused throughout the day. Her study sessions became more productive, and she felt less stressed. Strategies to enhance productivity. Eisenhower Matrix. Effective prioritization can dramatically boost your productivity. Use tools like the Eisenhower Matrix to categorize tasks based on their urgency and importance. Focus on high-priority tasks first to ensure you're making the most of your time. Story, the organized planner. Jerry, a busy entrepreneur, struggled with managing his numerous responsibilities. Through using the Eisenhower Matrix, he learned to prioritize his tasks effectively. This simple change allowed him to focus on what truly mattered and improved his overall productivity. Creating a productive environment. Your environment plays a very important role in your ability to focus. A cluttered or noisy workspace can be distracting. Create a dedicated, tidy workspace that minimizes distractions to enhance your concentration. Example, the quiet workspace. Helen, a writer, found it difficult to concentrate in her noisy apartment. She decided to set up a quiet corner with minimal distractions dedicated solely to writing. This change helped her increase her writing output significantly. Taking regular breaks. It might seem counterintuitive, but taking regular breaks can actually boost productivity. Breaks help prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh. Use techniques like the Pomodoro Technique, or simply stand up and stretch every hour. Analogy, the marathon runner. Think of your workday as a marathon, not a sprint. Marathon runners pace themselves and take hydration breaks to maintain their energy levels throughout the race. Similarly, regular breaks help you sustain productivity over long periods. For further reading, I recommend Deep Work by Cal Newport, which offers insights into the importance of focused work and practical strategies to achieve it. Closing thoughts. To conclude, enhancing focus and productivity requires understanding the factors that affect them and applying effective techniques and strategies. It's all about making small, consistent changes to support our productivity.